हाय दोस्तों, आप कैसे हो। इस कोरोना में आप बाहर मत जाओ, घर में रह के स्टडी करो। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इक्विवेलेंट मास। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए। व्हाट इज इक्विवेलेंट मास? Equivalent mass is originally derived from the electrochemistry, but in class 11 we discuss by different way. Have we consider the parts of any element which added with 1.008 gram hydrogen, 8.0 gram oxygen or 13.5 gram chlorine, or this amount of hydrogen, oxygen and chlorine displaced by any element is called its equivalent mass. If we here we consider defined example. Here we consider zinc react with H2SO to form ZnSO plus hydrogen. Here zinc displaces hydrogen. Atomic weight of zinc 65. Molecular weight of H2 2 into 1.008 gram. Therefore 2 into 1.008 gram hydrogen is displaced by 65 gram zinc. Therefore 1.008 gram hydrogen is displaced by 32.5 gram zinc. Therefore this amount of hydrogen is displaced by this amount of zinc. Therefore equivalent mass of zinc equal to 32.5. In another example, Fe added with chlorine to form FeCl3. Therefore 3 into 2 into 35.5 gram chlorine is added with this gram of Fe. Therefore 35.5 gram chlorine is added with 18.66 gram Fe. Therefore equivalent mass of Fe equal to 18.67. This one chlorine addition method, above one hydrogen displacement method. Now we discuss hydrogen displacement method. Fe react with HCl to form hydrogen. Therefore Fe displace hydrogen. Here 2 into 1.008 gram hydrogen is displaced by 56 gram Fe. Therefore 1.008 gram hydrogen is displaced by 28 gram Fe. Therefore equivalent mass of Fe equal to 28. Here we discuss three defined method: hydrogen displacement method, chlorine addition method, hydrogen displacement method. When you consider hydrogen, then 1.008 gram is considered. When we consider chlorine, then we consider 35.5 gram chlorine. Therefore we can say shortly addition and substitution. When oxygen, chlorine, hydrogen are added with any compound, then their gram will be 8 gram, 35.5 gram, 1.008 gram respectively. And in case of substitution, oxygen, chlorine and hydrogen masses are 8 gram, 35.5 gram, 1.008 gram respectively. Now we discuss a simple example. A metallic oxide contains 60% metal by mass. What is equivalent mass of that metal? So in metallic oxide 60% metal, therefore amount of oxygen equal to 100 minus 60 equal to 40. Therefore this 40 gram oxygen is added with 60 gram metal. Therefore 8 gram oxygen combined with 12 gram of metal. Here we consider oxygen, then we take 8 gram. Therefore mass, equivalent mass of metal is 12. If there is hydrogen, then we consider 1.008 gram. If there is chlorine, then we consider 13.5 gram chlorine. All sum are done by similar method. Now we discuss relation between atomic weight, equivalent weight and valency. So from class 7 or 6 we know the number of hydrogen atom combined with one atom of any element is known as its valency. Here we consider valency V. Therefore V number of hydrogen atom combines with one atom of element M. If this one is transferred into masses, then V into 1.008 gram hydrogen combines with A gram of element, because atomic weight of element equal to A. Therefore 1.008 gram hydrogen combines with A into 1.008 by V into 1.008 equal to A by V. 1.008 gram combined with A by V gram of element, therefore equivalent mass of element equal to A by V. Therefore we can say E equal to A by V or A equal to EV. So we can write atomic weight equal to equivalent weight into valency. Note, as atomic weight of an element is constant, therefore E varies 1 by V. Therefore equivalent mass is inversely related to its valency. Again, the element which exhibits variable valency, in that case we obtain variable atomic equivalent masses. In case of copper 2 oxide, equivalent weight of copper equal to 63.5 by 2 equal to 31.75. In case of copper 1 oxide, equivalent weight of copper equal to 63.5 by 1 equal to 63.5. Now we take an example. Equivalent weight of a metal M is E, its oxide formula is MxOy, so that valency and atomic weight of metal are 2y by x and 2ye by x respectively. The formula of metal oxide MxOy. Let atomic weight of metal equal to A. Therefore number of M element equal to x, number of oxygen atom equal to y. Therefore 16 1 gram, 6y into 16 gram of oxygen combines with A x gram of metal. Therefore 8 gram oxygen combines with Ax by 2y. Therefore E equal to Ax by 2y or A equal to 2y E by x. And valence equal to A by E. Putting the value of A by E, we get valence equal to 2y by E. তাহলে এখানে আমরা কি কনসিডার করলাম? ফর্মুলা MxOy, তো অক্সিজেনের অ্যাটমিক ওয়েট 16 আর নাম্বার অফ অ্যাটম ইকুয়াল টু y, therefore total mass of oxygen equal to 16y. Mass of metal is considered A and number of atom equal to x, therefore total mass of M metal equal to Ax. So here we write 16y gram oxygen combined with Ax gram metal, therefore 8 gram oxygen combined with Ax by 2y. Here we consider 8 gram oxygen, these one indicate equivalent weight, therefore E equal to Ax by 2y, then we get A equal to 2y E by x. These two examples are given to you. If you have any doubt, you must write on comment section. I will give the answer. Here we consider equivalent mass or equivalent weight of element. Now we discuss equivalent mass of compound. So first we consider equivalent weight of acid. The equivalent weight of acid equal to molecular weight of acid by basicity of acid. Basicity means number of displaceable hydrogen atom by base. যেগুলো যে হাইড্রোজেন অ্যাটমগুলো বেস দ্বারা ডিসপ্লেস হয় তাদের কাউন্ট করতে হবে। তাহলে ইন কেস অফ HCl, নাম্বার অফ হাইড্রোজেন ইকুয়াল টু 1, therefore molecular weight of HCl by 1, that is 36.5 by 1 equal to 36.5. In case of H2SO4, number of dissociable or displaceable hydrogen equal to 2, molecular weight of H2SO4 98 by 2 equal to 49. In case of phosphoric acid, molecular 98, number basicity equal to 3, then 98 by 3 equal to 32.67. In case of oxyacid, number of OH radical, its basicity. The H2SO4 contain 2 OH radical, therefore its basicity is equal to 2. In case of H3PO4, number of OH number of OH equal to 3, so basicity 3. In case of H3PO3, number of OH equal to 2, that's why basicity 2. Therefore equivalent weight equal to molecular weight 82 by 2 equal to 41. Although H3PO3 contains 3 hydrogen atom, but its basicity is 2 because it contains 2 OH radical, that's why its basicity is 2. In case of hypophosphorus acid, basicity is 1 although it contains 3 hydrogen atom. Therefore equivalent weight equal to 66 by 1, that is 66. Oxalic acid crystal. Oxalic acid contains 2 molecules of water. Its molecular weight equal to 126. It contains 2 OH part. Therefore equivalent weight equal to 260 to 126 by 2 equal to 63. Basicity of oxalic acid equal to 2. These are about the equivalent weight of acid. Now we consider alkali. Alkali ক্ষেত্রে molecular weight by acidity or number of dissociable displaceable OH radical. The NaOH contain 1 OH, therefore molecular weight divided by 1. In case of calcium hydroxide, molecular weight by 2. In case of metallic oxide, where no hydroxide is present, only oxide is present, in that case we consider instead of acidity total positive or negative valency. Total positive or negative valency equal to number of cation or anion into its valency. যেমন আমরা এক্সাম্পল ধরি Al2O3, টোটাল পজিটিভ ভ্যালেন্সি, তো টোটাল পজিটিভ ভ্যালেন্সি ক্যারি করছে অ্যালুমিনিয়াম, তাহলে অ্যালুমিনিয়ামের নাম্বার কত 2, ভ্যালেন্সি কত 3, তাহলে ইন্টু করে পাবো 6. সিমিলারলি যদি আমরা অ্যানায়ন কনসিডার করি, সেক্ষেত্রে নাম্বার অফ অক্সিজেন ইকুয়াল টু 3, ভ্যালেন্সি 2, therefore 3 into 2 6. So in this case molecular weight divided by 6 and EW of Al2O3 becomes 17. दोस्तों MgO के लिए इस मोलिकुलर वेट को 2 से डिवाइडेड करेंगे तो होगा 40/2 इक्वल टू 20. इस बार हम डिस्कस करेंगे सॉलिड के लिए. सो सॉलिड के लिए फार्मूला वेट को टोटल और नेगेटिव वैलेंसी को डिवाइडेड करेंगे. ये याद रखना आयनिक कंपाउंड के लिए कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है, ओनली आयंस प्रेजेंट. इसीलिए इन केस ऑफ आयनिक कंपाउंड वी कंसिडर फार्मूला वेट इंस्टेड ऑफ मॉलिकुलर वेट. जैसे यहाँ कंसिडर किया CaCl2, तो टोटल पॉजिटिव वैलेंसी कितना होगा, कैल्शियम का नंबर 1 है, कैल्शियम का वैलेंसी 2 है, इसीलिए 2 into 1 होगा. और टोटल वेट कितना 40 + 2 into 35.5, दैट इज़ 111, 2 equal to 55.5. जैसे सोडियम कार्बोनेट के लिए कितना होगा, सोडियम कितना आटम है 2, वैलेंसी कितना 1, इसीलिए 2 into 1, इसलिए मॉलिकुलर वेट को 2 से डिवाइडेड करेंगे और इट्स इक्विवेलेंट वेट कितना आएगा 53. अगर एल्युमिनियम सल्फेट को कंसीडर करेंगे तो नंबर ऑफ एल्युमिनियम कितना 2, वैलेंसी कितना 3, देयरफॉर 2 into 3 equal to 6, दैट इज फार्मूला वेट को 6 के डिवाइडेड करेंगे एंड वी गेट 57. नाउ वी कंसीडर फार्मूला वेट ऑफ रेडिकल. अब रेडिकल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. इसका फार्मूला वेट बाय वैलेंसी, जैसे सल्फेट के लिए वैलेंसी कितना है 2, मतलब इसका जो फार्मूला वेट है 96, उसको 2 से डिवाइडेड करेंगे पाएंगे 48. अगर एमोनियम कंसीडर करेंगे उसको टोटल फार्मूला वेट 18 और कितना चार्ज है 1 से डिवाइडेड करेंगे पाएंगे 8. ये याद रखना रेडिकल के लिए उसका चार्ज उसका वैलेंसी कंसीडर किया जाता है. अब किसी भी कंपाउंड के इक्विवेलेंट वेट इक्वल टू क्या होगा, इसका कैटायन का और बेसिक रेडिकल का इक्विवेलेंट वेट प्लस एनायन और एसिड रेडिकल का इक्विवेलेंट वेट. जैसे हम कंसिडर करेंगे एल्युमिनियम सल्फेट, तो इसमें बेसिक रेडिकल है एल्युमिनियम, एसिड रेडिकल है सल्फेट। तो एल्युमिनियम का वैलेंसी कितना है 3, एटॉमिक वेट कितना है 27, मतलब 27/3। सल्फेट का इक्विवेलेंट वेट कितना है 48, दैट इज 48 + 9 = 57। here we have done 57। जैसे सोडियम कार्बोनेट कंसीडर करेंगे, तो सोडियम का एटॉमिक वेट कितना 23, वैलेंसी कितना है 1, देयरफॉर 23/1। कार्बोनेट का कितना, कार्बोनेट का टोटल फार्मूला वेट 60, चार्ज कितना 2, तो 60/2 = 30, देयरफॉर 30 + 23 53। These are all about equivalent weight. If you have any doubt, you must write in comment section. I will give the answer. In next video, I will discuss different numerical about oxidation number. Thank you.